What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Dantes. Welcome back to... So, as you can see here, we have a lot of things going on. So, I like to buy... So, normally you're supposed to use chili powder, but I actually don't have any chili powder. So, I've got turmeric ground, I have cumin ground, and then I've got garlic powder ground. So, we're going to be working with those. Although, I would like to use... So actually, Jesus Christ. So this is gonna take a little bit, but I'll have my editor speed this part up. This is coming. What did this say? Maybe a little more paprika. So, I just read the label, and it appears I've been using cayenne pepper. All right, now that we've finished making our chili powder, we can finally start on the other ingredients. Let's get right into the video. Where's my knife at? You know, this reminds. Imagine sending somebody a text that's just like, why am I oiled up right now? You know, the other day I was playing Wizard 101, and then while I was playing, see, look at this shit. You know, I know how to cut a fucking onion. You see that? So, now that we got our onions, we can finally, alright, so now that we cut our onions, we can finally begin mixing the meat into the chili. So, yeah. Let's get right into it. So today I found this meat on sale for $7, and I don't know where you're from, but 2 pounds. Mix up our seasoned spice blend now, and that'll create a nice looking mixture here. And I did a little under the required amount of paprika, but I mean, we can always add more, so let's just do that right now. Now that we've added the amount of paprika needed for the blend of the chili powder, we can finally mix it into our meat. Remember, before you touch any meat, you want to wash your hands because you. So what's going on, guys? So I actually bought these 2 cans of diced tomatoes. One's diced, one's crushed, and it turns out I don't have a can opener. So we're gonna figure it out from here. Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'm so fucked.
I was sitting late last night, drinking my orange juice. I don't like sweet coffee, it makes my stomach hurt. Some call me weak, but I just don't like coffee. But I will eat chili and shit my brains out. If I'm all choked up and I can't find the chili.
See, the only problem with this is I don't know if I just got like aluminum foil. I'm gonna add in the beef broth into this mixture now. And I think people are just like.
All right, now that that's over,